Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got another fun and super useful DIY project. We're rebuilding an old Bosch NiCd battery pack and upgrading it to a modern lithium setup. This is something I've wanted to do for a while now, and today's the day. So this old Bosch screwdriver came with a tired NiCd pack, you know the type, heavy, low capacity, slow charging, and honestly pretty useless nowadays. I could have thrown it away, but why not give it a second life with some modern tech? I've been collecting lithium cells from used vape cartridges. Most people just toss these out, but a lot of the cells still hold a charge. So I tested them, picked the good ones, and built myself a 3S4P battery pack. That means 3 cells in series, 4 in parallel, so we get 12 volts nominal and around 1600 mAh in capacity. Each cell gives me around 400 mAh. And for this little Bosch screwdriver? That's more than enough to power through screws all day. I used wire strips and a soldering iron to build the pack. You could solder, but it's not the best for cell health. Heat is your enemy. Take your time, double check connections, and make sure you insulate properly. Now, this is important, I added a 40 amp BMS board. Without it, lithium cells are dangerous to charge and discharge. A BMS protects the battery from overcharging, deep discharge, short circuits, and all that nasty stuff. Don't skip this step. I also added a small LED charge indicator, so I can always see how much juice is left. And here's a cool hack, I installed a USB to 12V lithium charger board directly into the original Bosch charger case. Now I can charge the screwdriver battery either from a regular 220V outlet or even from a power bank using USB. Super flexible. So here it is, the finished build. Fully working, upgraded, lighter, better capacity, and I saved it from the landfill. Total cost? Practically zero, since I used wasted vape cells and cheap parts. This thing is ready for many more years of work. Thanks for watching. I hope this inspires you to breathe new life into your old tools instead of throwing them away. If you liked the video, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one with more DIY builds. Take care.